For teachers, save so much time. You will love it, I assure you. And this is so easy. Link will be in description as always. Let's start. Sign up with your Google account. Answer a few questions first. Your name. What grade levels do you serve? What subjects do you teach? How do you wish to be addressed? And we're in. Let's explore it. First of all, you have so many options to use. We are going to do a few and I'll let you explore on your own too. So many tools as you can see. So let's choose one. Rubric generator. This is a classic, right? Fill in the grade level, the point scale, the standard objective, the assignment description, and if you have any additional customization, just write it down. Then click Generate. It's so fast. Wow! Have a look at the result. Really good. What can you do now? You can edit the prompt if you're not happy, or you can copy, or even edit. And this is free. You also have some options like translate, ask a few questions, the length, summarize, or you can custom, but this is paid. Star your favorites and they will be above, highlighted, so that you don't have to look for them. Let's explore another magic tool. Okay, vocabulary-based texts. What do we have to fill in? Grade level, text length, vocabulary. You can even attach a file or a topic or a text, or you can write it down. I'll write it down and generate. And there you have it, the text with the vocabulary I asked, with the level I asked, and about fashion, the topic I asked. It seems that all we have to do is ask, which is really, really good, right? Imagine how you can personalize texts or vocabulary or whatever you like in a click. Let's try another one. Vocabulary list generator. Again, fill in the grade level, vocabulary words to define, or the topic or a text. Remember, you can add a file. And there you have it. You can edit, don't forget it. How about an email responder? I think this is really, really good. You know, parents do tend to write to us, right? Fill in with the name of the person you want to write to. If you want, you can copy and paste the email they've sent you, and you can give a topic for your answer. And then click Generate. This is magic, right? Very fast, and you can just copy it or edit if you want. Are you enjoying it? Let's see the prices. So you can have a free account like I do, or you can pay. I would say it's affordable. But you also have a chatbot called Reina that will help you with advice for your classes. They may be related to behavior management strategies, general advice, research, best practices. Just ask her. She will answer. Everything you've done is also kept in your history and you can delete it. And you have other extra options. So as you can see, Magic School is really, really good. It has a newsletter if you want to join in. It's free and you'll be updated about what's going on with Magic Schools. So I think this tool is amazing for teachers. It saves you so much time. And what can you do with it? I don't know, just check out all the tools you have. They're magical, remember? And I hope it helps you in your practice. Hey, don't forget I have a playlist which is called Educational AI, specifically for teachers to help you, because I'm one of you. So, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.